All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take out a wasp's nest that is high up, similar to this one. This stuff, Spectracide, is very effective for yellow jackets and wasps. It comes out in a jet, and it says it sprays 27 feet, but I doubt that it can get that far, especially if you're spraying up, maybe like 15 feet, which is just about the height that I have right now. We got this yellow jacket nest, and there's just a ton of them in there, so we're gonna knock them out. This stuff is pretty toxic, so I'm wearing gloves for when I spray it. You're gonna need to shake it really well before you shoot it off, and also probably have something over your mouth and your nose in case it misses back at you. Really try to spray and get out of there so it doesn't get all over you. Okay, here we go. Well, that made a huge mess, but it was effective, and it just completely demolished the entire nest. So now I just need to clean up all the drops and stuff after. Maybe I'll spray with the power washer or something.